Hi guys, we're doing a paper from 2021 May-June examination paper 4.2. So we'll be doing version 4.2 from the May-June paper of 2020-21 mathematics. This is an extended paper. So paper 4 version 2, this is what we're doing. We're doing question 10, which says the table shows 4 sequences A, B, C, D. So the sequences that are shown here, the first one is 1, 3, 1, 8, 27, 64. So you have to find the sequence. So if I look at this 1 and this 8, this 27, these look like they are powers of 3. This is 1 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 4, 4 to the power 4 to the power 3, and so on and so on. So all these are powers of 3. 1 cubed, 2 cubed, 3 cubed, 4 cubed. So here we have 5 cubed. So the answer is 125. And the nth term is going to be n cubed. That is the nth term of the sequence. We can move on to the next sequence. From 5 to 11 to 17 to 23, I can see that there is a difference of 6 here, difference of 6, difference of 6, difference of 6. So if there's a difference of 6, I'll say 23 plus 6, I'll get 29. And I'll go ahead and write 29 there. And then the nth term for B, nth term is going to be A plus n minus 1 D. We know that A is the first term, that is 5. N is the nth term, so we just write n minus 1. D is the common difference, which is 6. So the nth term is going to be 5 plus 6n minus 6, or 6n minus 1, because 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So we go ahead and write 6n minus 1. That is for the nth term. Right, for the second sequence, we have got 0.25, 0.5, 1, and so forth. In other words, this is going to be 1/4, half, 1, 2, 4, and so forth. Okay, let's look at how this is going down. So if we say this is the nth term, it means something to the power n will give us 1/4 if n is 1. Okay? So we want to find a sequence that will make these numbers work. Right, if we have got 1/8 times 2 to the power n, if n is equal to 1, we'll have 1/8 times 2 to the power 1 equals to 1/4. If we've got n equals to 2, we'll have 1/8 times 2 to the power 2, which is 1/8 times 4, which is half. So it works. If we move on to n equals to 3, this becomes 8. So 1/8 times 8, this satisfies the sequence. Therefore, we can go ahead to say the sequence is 1/8 times 2 to the power n. That is the sequence that we have there. And then finally, we have this sequence 4.75, 10.5, 16. How are these numbers generated? Right, can I bring you closer to this? You see 5 minus 0.25, you get this number. 11 minus 0.5, you get 10.5. This minus that. 17 minus 1, 16. 23 minus 2, 21. So it means 29 minus 4, we are going to get 25. So this is 25. So in general, sequence D is equal to sequence B minus sequence C. In other words, if we go back to the sequences, sequence B is 6n minus 1. So you go and write 6n minus 1 minus sequence C, which happens to be 1/8 times 2 to the power n. You can leave it like this, or you write it in an alternative way. This is 6n minus 1 minus, we know that 1/8 is as good as 2 to the power negative 3. So you can write this as 2 to the power negative 3 times 2 to the power n. We can go ahead to finally write 6n minus 1 minus 2 to the power n minus 3. So this is sequence D. You can write it down there. So this will be 6n minus 1 minus 2 to the power n minus 3. All this will get you 9 marks. Enjoy.